Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I've literally hopped off one video where I was reviewing the Milani foundation onto this video, so my wig is still not secure, and if you watched that video then you already know that. So anyway, today I want to share with you guys a quick makeup look that you can do for work that's going to take you under 10 minutes, and I'm going to make this as realistic as possible. I don't want to sit here and lie to you that it's going to be 10 minutes when in reality it's not. This routine is actually very quick, very short, and it's actually going to take you under 7 minutes, under, have I said 7 minutes before? No, under 10 minutes. I promise you that, I promise. So makeup for work is just something very simple. You don't have much time in the morning to put a full face together, so you still want to look put together without spending too much time on your face. So that's what I'm going to be sharing with you guys today. So let's go ahead and get started. Step number 1 happens to be priming. You need to get yourself a good primer, or if you don't have a primer, then moisturize. Your moisturizer can act as your primer, but whatever the case may be, don't put anything on your skin when it's just when it has nothing else on it. So moisturize or prime, whatever it is, and then you can move on to now putting things onto your face. So step number 2 is foundation. I think this is one of the steps that will definitely just make you look really put together. A foundation goes such a long way, you guys, like such a long way. So get yourself a good foundation that has the coverage you want, everything you want in a foundation. Get you such a foundation, and then after you've primed and your skin is ready, put on that foundation. Now this is the step that may take a bit long because you do have to take time to blend in your foundation, but with time and practice you just become a pro and you just put it so quickly. Like I can take like a minute to put on the foundation, spread it around and blend it, and if I'm really going all out with the blending, then I'll take 2 minutes with it. So foundation is not a step that will take you a long time once you've mastered the technique. So you go in with your foundation, quick step, you spread it around your face, you blend it, make sure it's really well blended, and you're good to go. That instantly just makes you look alive, awake, put together, and all that good stuff. Okay guys, so now my foundation is on. This is the Milani Conceal and Perfect 2-in-1 foundation and concealer. I reviewed this foundation. In fact, I've literally reviewed this foundation just now, and I just decided to mash these 2 videos together. So if it's a little bit lighter than my skin tone, just forgive that because I didn't get my perfect shade, and it's a bit cool toned. Anyway, I did a whole review on that, and I'll just link it for you to go and see my frustrations and my joys with this foundation. Okay guys, so the second, is it the second or the third step? The third step, yeah, we've done prime, foundation. The third step is now to set that foundation. I don't think it's necessary for you to conceal or highlight and contour on a daily basis when you have literally less than 10 minutes. So the next step is just to set your foundation with a powder, just because you don't want your foundation to crease throughout the day, to get oily, to transfer onto everyone and everything. So setting that foundation with a powder is the third and a very important step. So I'm going in with my Fit Me Matte and Poreless powder, and I am just pressing it into my skin to set that foundation. Okay, so now the next step is now the brows. I know brows can take a really long if you're a beginner. So for sure it'll take practice. By the time you're able to do your brows in like 3 minutes, it'll take a lot of practice. But for every day, I feel like you don't need to do the most with your eyebrows. You don't need to fill them in and all of that. So if you've had practice and you've been doing your eyebrows for some time, 3 minutes, 2 minutes, and your eyebrows will be done. But if you're a beginner, then maybe what you want to do is just take your pencil and fill in all the 2 areas of your brows that don't have hair. You don't have to go all out with the shape. So I'm going to fill in my eyebrows as usual, but we are going to time, because I don't want you guys to think that I'm here lying. I'm not gonna speed up this part. I'm not going to do anything to it. This is going to be in real time. Let's start the clock. First, wait, let me sharpen my pencil. Okay, so the clock starts now. Concealer. Done. I'm done. I don't know how long that was, but I am done. So I haven't sped that up, you guys. That was in real time, and it's not taken that long. It's taken, well, I have no idea because I wasn't actually timing myself. Okay, so now the next step, which I think is really important, is mascara. Like, in fact, if you don't even do foundation or powder, and you just do your brows and mascara, you already look really good. You really look, wow, you already look really good and put together. So get yourself a good mascara that's going to volumize the lashes, lengthen the lashes, because it makes a world of a difference when it comes to just your everyday look. So I'm going in with my Push Up Angel mascara and really getting in there. Ooh, I've messed over there. Anyways, I will let that dry, then take care of it. In case you have those few minutes and you mess like me, always give your time. Always give your mascara time to dry. This one that's gotten onto your skin or onto your lid, and then after that it'll be really easy to just remove it. So that's it. If you feel like you're really quick with the face or the lashes or the brows, then you can go ahead and add like eyeliner, but I feel like that's not necessary if you have a really good mascara. And then the last thing is just the lips. So now you smack on your nude lipstick. If it's too light for you, use a brown lip liner. And if it's not too light for you, then you are good to go, sis. So yeah, I'm gonna apply my brown pencil, and then after that I'm gonna put my nude. Simple stuff. That's it, you guys. One more step is just now to set everything so that your foundation stays intact. during the day everything is set, it doesn't move, it doesn't transfer. So my only tip for the setting spray is do it when your mascara has dried. That's all I'll say. Do it when your mascara has dried, otherwise it will turn into 30 minutes instead of under 10 minutes. Now that is it. I'm tempted to say I've taken like 8 minutes or 7 minutes. So this is real on the go makeup every single day. You know, you want to get your extra minutes of sleep, but then you still want to show up to the office looking cute. This is the look for you. So I hope this video has been helpful to all my working girls out there. Comment down below with a step that you can't skip when you're going to work. Is it foundation you can't go without? Mascara? Can you not go without your eyebrows to work? What can't you go to work without? Comment down below. Also subscribe if you're not subscribed, and on top of subscribing, hit the notification bell so that every single time I post, you're one of the first to know. What else? Thumbs up if you enjoyed this tutorial or whatever this was. I hope it's actually going to be 10 minutes or less, because it wouldn't be so good for me to say makeup under 10 minutes for the office and then it's 15 minutes. Oh no, but I'm explaining things. I'm justified. I'm very justified. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.